What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the #1 channel for senior care entrepreneurs. This past week, we went to the NADSA, the National Adult Day Services Association conference in Baltimore. We got to network with a lot of great people. We talked about how to lobby and actually, work with your local government. We got together and checked out some really innovative software systems coming to market. To me, adult daycare is the future of senior care, and we're just getting started. This is just laying the groundwork for. Join us on this fun little journey behind the scenes. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and show some love. And let's get back to work.
Hey, sorry for interrupting your video. Did you know you could win this car or $10,000 cash? Go to scu.tv. So make sure you enter to win the Healthcare Heroes sweepstakes. Did you do it yet? I'm waiting. Don't make me do some more donuts. All right, back to the show.
What's going on, everyone? We are in Baltimore right now. We are going to the NADSA conference. We actually just left Tampa. We were almost late. We almost missed the flight. We're here at the NADSA, the National Adult Day Services Association conference right here in Baltimore. And we're also going to be talking about Medicare, Medicaid, how it's affecting, what new things are coming down the pipeline. And then lastly, just kind of see how other centers are doing, what their strategy is for moving forward in a post-pandemic world. So I hope you enjoy this. Join us. We'll see you guys here in just a little bit. Come on. All right, so one of the cool things that we got to witness was, a lot of the new technologies coming out, and there was this new robot, basically robot as a service. Temi was a cool little innovation that you can tell that they're trying to bridge that gap between kind of the robotic side of things and the human experience. So this kind of robot that has an iPad essentially on it, and it can navigate the room that it's in. It's really awesome to see that technology, to see the companies that are trying to find different niches, different markets, different areas to explore their products to see how do they work in this environment.
We have a personal assistant called Temi that's going to be doing some of the talking as well. And she is going to be walking around the room in a little bit. So we're really excited to have Temi here. It's the world's first personal assistant robotics platform. So you're going to get to witness her live here today as well.
Hi everyone. Thank you for inviting me to this session at the National Adult Day Services Association. My name is Temi. I am an easy-to-use, affordable voice-enabled robot with 16 sensors on my frame that allow me to autonomously navigate myself around senior living and adult daycare facilities. Healthcare and caregiving has evolved like never before, creating virtual needs and efficiencies at an accelerated pace. My goal is to create a comprehensive life care environment by creating experiences at every level of care that fits seniors' needs and empower them to thrive beyond expectations. I am able to be at the forefront of adult daycare, providing respite for family caregivers and helping with guest programs as an added toolkit to virtually connect family members to their loved ones.
And you can see it's just reacting to me everywhere I go. And this is called the follow me mode. So this is especially important if you are doing a virtual tour. If you want to have Temi follow you into a room, you can just walk and Temi will walk with you wherever you go. So I'm just walking and Temi is following me to wherever I go.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
Is this thing called telepresence that we talked about. So imagine Rami is a family member, a doctor, a trainer, someone that just wants to come and take a look at what's going on in this room. So he is dialed in, he has access to this robot, I've given him permission. He's dialed in, now he's going to show you what he can do. But not only that, he can show you how he can move around this room. Now all this while, he can see what Temi is seeing and hearing what Temi is hearing. That's the beauty of Temi, is that it brings a person that's away from you into the room, and now they're physically there in the robot. Virtually there, but physically present in the room.
Cool seeing this kind of bridge with these new technologies coming out and stuff like that. So Temi was definitely one of those kind of fun and exciting new toys coming to the marketplace. When we came to the NADSA conference, my plan was to just really film a lot more behind the scenes, kind of show you guys an in-depth look of what NADSA is all about, especially for an industry that I feel like doesn't have the name recognition like senior housing or home care and things like that. I didn't give everyone a proper advance notice, so I couldn't quite film everything that I wanted to film. We had the opportunity to set up in another room some interviews to interview just kind of forward-thinking folks that are in the adult daycare space. So we got in touch with Bill, who's actually part of the board and kind of high up in the research side of things, and he has 3 of his own adult daycare centers in Tennessee. Of course, catch up with my good buddy Yanni from South Florida, who is doing an amazing thing there. And we met with Joan, who has I think 3 adult daycare centers up in New Jersey. And the best part about what she's doing is she spent a ton of time, energy, effort, lobbying, there in New Jersey and working with the local legislature and talking to the governor and really making change for adult daycare. We got to sit down with Roy, who's also our own national lobbyist for the Adult Daycare Association. And we also got with my good friend from Scotland, my boy Cameron with Story Care. And he's always just like the nicest. I don't know if it's because he's from Scotland or if it's because he's got red hair or what, but the dude is just a good guy, super young, but very passionate about the senior care space. It was great to sit down with all of these wonderful people, kind of hear from them, not just what they're doing today, but their journey, how they got here, why they're so passionate about what they do. That being said, it was a great trip. We had a lot of fun. Almost missed the flight in, but hey, man, it was a great time, and we're looking forward to next year's because I think it's in Philadelphia. So should be a lot of fun in Pennsylvania. Here we come, 2022. Big things to come.